What's good? This video is about different setups for the Ronin S, aside from the standalone, just the gimbal by itself. That's my Ronin S with my first SmallRig setup. I had made a video a while back about my two-handle setup to, I guess, more evenly distribute weight between two arms this way, as opposed to this way with the samurai grip. Then I showed you this setup with the little SmallRig attachment right here, okay? And I'm gonna show you another SmallRig setup that's even lighter weight than this one. First, I'm gonna break this down. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take this side off, okay? And then there's my new SmallRig attachment here, okay? Okay, this little SmallRig adapter for the Ronin S comes with this. Comes with two of these little screws, if you can see that. And two little washers. Okay, so when you get your Ronin S, most of you probably have this focus wheel on here, or that controller there, and this. You can remove this, but because I kind of like having it there even though it's not functional for my cameras, I'm gonna remove this side instead. So take a little wrench here, and there we go. Got it. Okay, got it. Let's see if I can get a little closer here so you can see more of what's going on. There we go. All right. So then I'm shooting with a very wide lens at this point. Okay, so notice this has all of these standard 1/4 inch screw holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it also has this larger one. So I'm going to take this little screw, like so, and place that in here. Okay. Take the other screw and add the washer. Put that in there as well. Then I am going to hold this in place temporarily while I get this first screw started. There we go. Get the second screw started. There we go. And you can use it this way because you don't need a lot of torque to get this into place. So you don't have to turn this way so that you have a lot more torque to put it on so tightly. This doesn't have to be super tight on here. Okay, so now that it's done, now notice, I can now, let's just use this light, for example. I can now attach this light in quite a few different places on here. So now we have that. Of course, I can adjust, I can rotate the light or whatever. But I'll leave the link in the description for this rig here. It is by SmallRig. I mean, this adapter, it is by SmallRig. And you can see it right here. See that? Okay, now you see it this way. That just replaced the standard DJI panel here, the cover there, okay? All right, so I'm gonna wrap this one up because I have to do another video about my Godox lights that I just got. So, deuces.